Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, what you'll need is a rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, an edge brush, some got to be or edge control, a hair tie, a brush, some bobby pins, a flat iron, and a wand curler. So I'm going to go around my edges and the nape of my neck with my flat iron that I already have preheated. So now I'm going to plug up my wand curl so that I can start heating while I'm putting my hair in a ponytail. You want to try to get your hair as smooth as possible. That's why I use a variety of different things, because they all help you pull this look off. For me, I like a tight and secure ponytail, so I will be wrapping mine around a few times, but you can do it as many times as you would like to. So now I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue. You can use anything, edge control, gel, whatever works to hold your edges down. You don't have to do your edges for this look. I just like to, but you don't have to do it because we're going to flip it over and put the curls on top anyway. And I'm going to pull a little bit of my sideburns out. You can do that, put your own little twist onto it as well. Y'all know sometimes with these edges, you just have to keep going back over and over until you get the look that you want. So for me, I had to just keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Even though you're not going to be able to see them anyway, I just know that they are there, they're done. So now you can section off as much hair as you want. The more hair you take, the bigger the curl, the less hair, the smaller the curl. So it just depends on which type of look you're going for. It looks cute to me both ways, but it's up to your discretion. So my curls don't drop too quickly. When I take the barrel out, I'll just leave it bunched up for a little bit so it can cool down so they won't drop too fast. If you use the wand curler before a regular curler, you will know that it is no joke. It's like a workout. My arm is hurting, so you will see me taking a few little breaks. Yeah, I'm getting muscles. My arm is killing me. Alright, now we are all done. Now we're going to be using the bobby pins to pin our curls back. If you like your hair in your face, so be it. You could drop them down a little bit further and pin them down. I don't want mine to be in my face all the way, so I'm going to pull mine up a little bit, but pin them the way that you like it. Okay, so you guys should just play with it, check your angles, see which way you like it. Fix your curls, which curl you want to hang down a little bit further, like I will do in a few minutes. But you're pretty much finished, girl. I think this look is so cute. It's simple, it's quick and easy to do. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.